Hey, hi guys. Now we are in the Jaipur city and we are going to explore today how is the Baba market. So from here I have entered. Okay. So here you will get some beautiful items. There are some clothes. There are some Hindi formation and this is how it is. I mean, you mostly will find some dresses, some jewelries, some bedsheets, and some shoes, Rajasthani shoes. Okay, this is how I have just started. Can you see how big the shoes is? These are all variety of shoes shop. Like chappals of ladies, they are called as mojri. Okay, this is also the kind of mojri and jewelries you can see, right? So the different shops has written the different names you get. Okay, this is how it is. I mean, mostly the dress shops where you will get, and you will find these dress shops at the most cheaper rate. Okay, these dresses are very cheaper. Even there are some, there are some home decorative items also here. As you can see the jewelry items, the purse, the lehengas are. I mean, that skirt, Rajasthani skirt. These are some bags. Okay, even the Rajasthani, these skirts are also very famous over here. So these are some jewelry markets, coconut wala bhaiya, and then you'll get some, mojis over here. So there are some fruits vendors and sellers. So now we will go in this part of the market. Here it is not being explored much on this side, but still what I was thinking is we'll take a look on this side once. Okay, here also some shops are there, some food shops with the mojuri for gents also. This shop has the mojuris for gents and ladies both. Okay. Here you will not get much crowd because right now it is it is afternoon. Here lots of you'll get here you'll get lots of sun rays are there. Means too much sun heat is there, so that is the reason you'll not get much crowd right now. But in the night the crowd will be more because people come because it's a local market and people come here for shopping. When the tourist people comes here for shopping, okay. So as and when we'll keep on moving, you'll get all the dress materials, all the kind of bags, mojeries, shoes, skirts, okay, jewelry shop. So that is how it is. So I'm just quickly taking a walk through. Okay. So I purchased this kind of mojeri. It cost me around 300 rupees. He was telling around 450, but I did the bargaining. Even I got the changes, which are cost around, which they told me around 200, but that cost me around 150. So that is what I'm trying to tell you. See, the market is cheaper, but if you do the bargain, you will find the rate even more cheaper. Okay, so this is how it is. You have to just keep on looking how beautiful this dress items, even the one pieces and the dresses are there for they can explore, they can come and explore this. Okay, even the dress piece I got in the range of he was telling around 500, I got in the range of 300 something. Okay, so that's how. So till now here you will get that's how the market is. Now I will take you to the another part of the market. Okay, so now we'll go to the another part. So that's how it is. So let's move. Now we'll go back to the another part of the market and let's see. I mean, like this only you will get that side of the market in this year. Okay. So let's keep walking, and you'll be able to see something good. Okay. So rush. I purposely came at this time because so that I will be able to show you from outside only how the beautiful the market is. Okay, so you can come here, you can do the shopping, whatever prices they are saying. You have to do the bargaining. You'll get at the cheaper rate. Jaipur qualities are good qualities. Okay, if you'll try to find out this kind of qualities of dresses, okay, somewhere in different part of India, then it will be more costlier for you. Okay, so that is how I'm trying to make the things easier for you, so that you can visit whenever you want and you can explore the market. Okay? So this is the another part of the market where you will get some clothes. Here also you will have some clothes and merchandise. I mean, it is same like that. These are the different same mojali shops. So mostly you will find the mojalis and dresses only. Okay. The mojalis, dresses, bags, okay, and the bed sheets. They are all very common. Even the foreigners come here and do the shoppings. Okay. So that's what it is. Even you get some small kind of boutiques like this. Okay, you can come and you can explore. Okay guys, see, this is also small boutique we have. And yeah, so that's all. That's all guys. You'll get the things at the cheaper rate. I would suggest you guys to visit this place with beautiful dresses and beautiful jewelries, beautiful mojalis, beautiful bags, beautiful hand decoration items, home decoration items, beautiful bangles. Okay, so that's all about Papa Market. Let me know in the comment below guys, how did you find this market? And if you have any question, then let me know in the comment. Thank you. Bye. Take care. Have a nice day.